What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can download TikTok videos without watermark. So if you use the inbuilt downloader of TikTok, the watermark is of course going to be shown. So we're going to be using some outer source in order to download the video of TikTok. And if you guys are confused of what I'm talking about, then let's say you like a video. So let's say I like this video. I can hold on this video, click on save video. Once I click on save video, this video will be saved, but there's going to be watermark. So if you use the inbuilt downloading video option of TikTok, it's going to do that. So in order to remove it, you need to follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial. And let's get into the video without any further ado. So if you like to download this video, click on this tree line at the bottom right corner and then scroll at the side where it says copy link over here. You want to click on copy link. Once the link is copied, you need to close TikTok. It can be Google browser or Safari browser. So I'm just going to go on my Safari browser and you want to go to this website called TT Downloader. Once you go to this website, it's going to show you this. So click on the first option, TT Downloader. Once you're over here, wait for some time until the website loads up. Once you're in this website, you need to paste the link which you just copied from your TikTok. Once you paste it, click on get video. Wait for some time. It's going to show you the video before you are able to download it. And you want to click on where it says no watermark download. Once you click on download video, this video will be downloaded without a watermark. But if you want a video with a watermark, you want to click on download video right beside watermark. So that's how you guys can download a TikTok video without watermark. So it's that simple. And there's a ton of website which looks like TT Downloader. You can go to tiktokdownload.online. It's also a website where you guys can download TikTok video without watermark. The other is ssstick.io. That's also another website. So these are the name of some websites through which you can download TikTok video without the watermark. Alright. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, everybody. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video.